Hello and welcome to 249 Jervey Lane in Bartlett, Illinois. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch, 1,800 square feet. Absolutely gorgeous. We're going to show you a little of the landscaping and the neighborhood, and then we'll meet you inside. Inside, you are going to notice a little bit of a Frank Lloyd Wright flair in the doors and the beautiful windows here in the step-down living room. Really top of the line quality here. We've got all the favorite brands like Wolf, Bosch, and look at this Subzero fridge. Another thing I'd like to show you is there are multiple pullouts. All the drawers have room for pots and pans. There is a pull-out drawer for all your spices. Gorgeous granite countertop, and look at this cool farm sink. Pretty neat. Little built-in back here. And then this property originally had some walls here. This has all been opened up to give you a nice open floor plan right into the family room area. One thing you'll notice is the skylights. This house has 11 remote control skylights throughout. Beautiful daylight in here. Look at the size of this laundry room. You could do cabinets. You could put a sink in here. Nice cubbies for coats and shoes. And then here's the pantry. Same cabinetry that you have in the kitchen, and a great size. You can walk right into it. It's got drawers and cabinets in here. You'll notice the beautiful wood trim throughout, all the molding around the doors. Fireplace here has a gas log, gas start fireplace. And the thing that we really want to show you is the amazing backyard. All the beautiful pavers, great bar here. There's actually a space for you to put a mini fridge in here, but just imagine a party with the bar stools. And just look at this view. There's a waterfall feature with the stream that goes through and under, kind of a little footbridge as you walk through the path. And then a whole built-in fire pit. Who doesn't love a fire pit in the summer? This is very well built, beautiful. All wrought iron fenced yard, and also an electric fence if you have dogs. Okay, let's step down and walk through the living room so you can just kind of get a feel for this, the beautiful view of the yard. Here you can see how glamorous the entryway is with 2 more of the remote control skylights. This space is a large bedroom that the owner did built-ins and used it as an office, but it is a very nice sized bedroom if you would like to put the doors back on and use the closet there. Just stunning bathrooms. Look at that tile around the ceiling. Again, another skylight. This room here can be used as a bedroom, but would have originally been used as a small office space. And look, you can just walk right outside and enjoy the beautiful weather here, nice fresh air and nice view of the backyard and all the amazing landscaping. There's an irrigation system as well. This bedroom has one of 2 different cedar closets. There's one in the basement and the one in here. Again, the beautiful windows and a fabulous view of the backyard. And I'm going to step out of the way so you can get in and see how this master bathroom looks. There you have a heated floor, quite the fancy toilet even. Just beautiful. So that's just a taste of what this house has to offer. There's also a full basement, like I said, another cedar closet down there. Definitely schedule your showing. Look through all the photos. We look forward to seeing you.